I'm so sorry, Mr. Connor. It won't ever happen again. I swear to God.
You're talking to God, so you might as well swear to me.
It's Mickey Cohen's town. You're not gonna change anything around here, Sarge.
We're losing Los Angeles to an Eastern crook.
I'm the future.
This isn't a crime wave. It's enemy occupation. I need you to wage war against Mickey Cohen.
I'm looking to put a squad together.
Almost there.
A small squad. 5, maybe 6 guys.
Going up against 40?
Well, you gotta die of something.
Leave these at home. Nobody will ever know what we've done. We're not solving a case here. We're going to war.
What's your racket, handsome?
I'm a Bible salesman.
You want to take me away from all this and make an honest woman out of me?
No, ma'am. I was just hoping to take you to bed.
You can't shoot me. You're a cop.
Not anymore.
Fighting these bastards. Give us families. They're kids.
I have to finish this.
Why didn't you tell me you're a cop?
I'm looking out for you.
And cop is not for sale. It's like a dog with rabies. You just gotta put him down.
Don't go.
Don't let me.
Los Angeles is my destiny.
Is that right?
You will find out! You're gonna be begging for a bullet before it's over.